How to change song in Instagram post. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change song in Instagram post. First of all, launch open the Instagram app. Now, if you have just posted something and you have forgotten to add music, then all you want to do is tap on the three dots. Then you want to tap on the edit option. Now you have the option of add music, select that. Now go ahead and select whichever song you want, then tap on this arrow icon. Then tap on the tick mark option. If you again want to change it before posting, simply tap on the song and here you have the option of replace, select that. Then select another song and tap on this arrow icon. Now tap on the tick mark option. Go ahead and save this change. Once you have saved the change, now again if you want to change the music and tap on the edit option, as you can see there's no option to change the music. That is because once you have posted it, there's no option to change the song. So if you want to change the song, you need to do that before posting it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.